Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back for another tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can find out the bit number of your computer. At first I am going to pick search button and type settings and hit enter button to continue. Under settings, quick system and again click the option about option and again click the about option. Under system, you can see the bit number of your PC from system type option. You can check your PC bit number from system information options also. Thank you.